So I had a DJ the other day ask me about bar work. Do you work bars? Do you like working bars? Do you make any money doing bars? Hi, it's Bill Hermann, and it's Creative License, and thanks again for being a part of the Little Dog and Pony Show. I'd like to thank my sponsors like Perfect Portals, Promo Only, DJ Event Planner, Disc Jockey News, The Entertainment Experience, Electro Voice. So now here's the topic, okay? Bar work. Is it worth it? Well, a lot of people that get out of bar work get out of it because it's not very much money. And if you have a bar, and especially a bar that you're bringing your own equipment to, and you're not making very much money, and another DJ walks into the bar and says, "Hey man, I'll do that guy's job, and I'll do it for half," and the bar owner says, "Sure. No problem," then you're out of a job, right? That's the story I hear. That's the story I used to go through when I worked bars, until I figured out what really was going on and what was really important and what I wasn't delivering. See, what I wasn't delivering was value to the bar owner. And what I thought was value was I played the right songs, a lot of people danced, people made requests, everybody said it was great. My friends would come in, all 6 of them, right? So, I mean, I'm great. Everybody tells me I'm great. You should pay me. And you should pay me more because I'm really great. And the guy you brought in, he's not very good at all. Why are you paying him? Well, because the bar owner figured out that you're not necessary, right? The new guy you brought in for half is not making any bigger difference in the bar owner's take on the money as what you were doing. The bar owner doesn't care about the music you play. The bar owner does not care about the equipment or your talent or how happy people are. The bar owner cares that while you're there, he makes more money. I know that doesn't seem like a thing that you can keep track of, but if you take on this idea and you start talking to the bar owner like the bar owner, then, you know, he has to be able to justify you, and he justifies you by numbers. He looks at the till on a Friday at 5 o'clock till 8 o'clock, and without you there, he may take in, let's say, $1,000. If it's only $1,000, he's not doing very well, but let's say just say $1,000. But let's say he brings you in, and you DJ for happy hour from 5 o'clock till 8, and he makes $10,000. Well, now write your own ticket, okay? Getting you for $100 is a bargain for him, okay? What he wants to see is that he makes more money, and he's willing to pay for it. And if you don't believe me, then why is he bringing in a band on some nights? He brings in a band. The band, I know he's paying upwards of $800, $900, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 for. Why does he do that? Because he likes the band? No, because the band makes him money, and he can prove it. Now, if you can say to him, "I'm going to make you money because I'm there," and you can prove it, then there's no way in the world that he's going to want to have anybody come in and take over your slot. Because he has other guys that are not thinking like you do. He needs people on his side, talking like him, thinking like him. And the bar owner doesn't care about the drinks he makes. He doesn't care about the way it looks in his bar. He does not care about the music he has paid. He cares about how quickly the customers spend their money and how much money per head comes out of every customer. If you can draw people in, that's one way to do it too. But that means really having a following. And having a following means you got to get famous. And getting famous, it's really hard to do. And a following is not your 6 friends. A following is you're there and another 300 to 500 to 1,000 people show up at his door. That's worth even more money. So how would you work that? What kind of promotions would you do to be able to get people to follow you? And then while you're there, do you know how to motivate an audience to spend their money? And it's not just on drinks. Nowadays, you can't get away with pushing drinks anyway. But there's lots of other ways for the bar owner to make money because you are there. Think like him, collaborate with him, talk to him about what he needs and what he wants. Show him that you're valuable in dollars and cents. You show him that, and now you're getting more money at bars than most DJs can make. DJs that are working a club and they have their own equipment, well, you know, he's going to only pay me $100 because they got their own equipment. No, he'll pay you more if you can prove to him that because you're there, he doesn't care if you're using his equipment now. You're there, he's going to make an extra 10 grand or an extra 20 grand or an extra 30 grand. Be valuable, make money for the owner, and now you can work the bar business and make some serious money. What do you think about this? Write it down in the comments below. Tell me I'm full of it. I'm okay with that. I usually am. I've got a wife, she'll tell me that. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.